So what do I do if I have a large package of information and I'd like to get it into the sourcing and quoting application so I can start the process without, and I really don't want to do a bunch of data entry. We do that through our bulk import function, which is this action button here. That process is started by leveraging a bulk import template spreadsheet into which we load all the data. So take it from another source, wherever we get it, we bring it into this, what we call a customer data tab. Here it can be validated, it can be ameliorated, filled out, and different elements added that we might like to load into the application. You can see there's a number of columns here. And what we do is simply map that into what we call our bulk import tab. This is where all the data gets formatted exactly as the system is going to require it. And then we click the Save as CSV action button, which is a macro. It's going to save a file for us. We don't need to name the file. We just need to select a location for that file and click OK. The system will, or the spreadsheet will put the file in the appropriate location. We then come back into the application, click the bulk import action button, select the template against which we'd like to apply the data, the type. Again, I'm going to use the Excel request for quote. I'll click the choose file option, and then of course I go back to the folder where I dropped that file, simply select and then click save. And what that does is it triggers a job which is going to load the information in the spreadsheet. Once that's complete, it usually takes a second or two. I can then jump directly to the RFQ event that's been created. Jump over using the inquiry function. From there you can see I've got the header which was created. All the line items were added into the system directly. And as well, by virtue of the fact that I had a couple of selection categories on my lines, I also have suppliers selected. So all those things happen by virtue of that bulk import load process. So very quick, very straightforward. And then once it's in the application, of course, I can make any changes that I need to either on a line by line or through the update lines function.